Introduce yourself.
My name is Lelagar. I am from Vijayawada district. So I am firstly studying BTech first year in cyber security. So now I am here to tell you about some Viva questions in mathematics.
What are the conditions to solve the Rolle's theorem?
There are three conditions to solve the Rolle's theorem. First condition is given f of x is continues to given intervals, closed intervals a comma b. And second condition is given function differentiation. The differentiation function has to be continuous in the open intervals. And third condition is given intervals, example a b has to be equal in the given function.
Next, what are the conditions to solve the Lagrange mean value theorem?
Lagrange mean value theorem. Conditions to derive Lagrange mean value theorem. First condition is given f of x has to be continuous in closed intervals a comma b. And second condition is given f of x has to be derived differentiation to f dash of x, and has to be continuous in open intervals a comma b. And the third condition is f of c is not f of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by f of b minus a.
What is the definition of partial differentiation? What is the definition of ordinary differentiation? What is the main difference between Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem?
Rolle's theorem and Lagrange mean theorem difference in these two theorems, two conditions are satisfying, and third condition is not satisfying in these two theorems. In Rolle's theorem, we have to verify the third condition f of a is equal to f of b. In Lagrange mean theorem, we have to not verify f of a is equal to f of b. We have to verify f of b minus f of a by f of b minus a in Lagrange mean value.
Is this question satisfies to solve the Rolle's theorem or not? And the question is sin of x. So sin x is equal to mod x, and the points are 0, 2, 5. Complete the question.
Sin x mod of
I will repeat the question. Sin x is equal to mod of x. And the points are 0, 2, 5.
Rolle's theorem. Verify.
And why it verifies?
Three conditions are satisfying.
It satisfies
Rolle's theorem will be verified for the given function.
Thank you.